All right, guys, we are up on the roof here at Joseph's place, and we're getting ready to fly the drone up here. So hopefully everything works out well. We get some good footage, and we don't lose the drone. Keep our fingers crossed, because I don't know, I don't want to lose my drone, so that's what we're going to do right now. All right, guys, just to give you an idea how high up we are, let me go over here, I'll show you. That's how high up we are.
I have to look down. Who do I trust holding my camera over this?
That's how high up we are, guys, and we are going to launch it off this rooftop here. We're going to try to. We'll see what happens.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
All right, just a little land reference here. Straight ahead is Quezon City. To the right is, what is that, Joseph?
Cabal, but
Cabal.
It's a part of Quezon City.
Part of Quezon City.
Quezon City
out there the mountains are.
Antipolo.
Antipolo way out there.
Rizal. Tonight.
Straight down here, these blue buildings, I don't know if you can see them or not. That's all the PNP training center here in Manila. But yeah, we're up here. How many stories?
I have no idea.
I don't know, we're up
40
here.
plus 50, I don't know. 40, probably, no, yeah, over 40, I guess.
And that way into the sun is Manila. I know the sun's washing it out, but that's Manila and Manila Bay out there. And of course, to the left would be, I know this is going to be washed out.
First group of big buildings is probably going to be Mandaluyong. That's where Mikey Bustos lives.
Oh, Mikey's out there. And then that is...
Past that would be Makati.
Okay.
And over to the left, I imagine it's BGC. It's a gig.
Taguig.
And go further than that. Go up to the ocean and further up. I'm pretty sure... well, that's Pasay all the way up there. And then Cavite would be to the left again.
There it is. I know it's all washed out from the sun. All right, guys, here's a different view. Straight down there where them blue buildings are, that's the PMP training center here in, well, this is what, Greenbelt?
No, this is
Manila?
no. I don't know where I live.
You don't know where he lives.
This
Green
is
Hills, that's it, Green Hills. And then straight out is Antipolo.
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 Rizal, Tanay's out that way. A lot of stuff out that way.
Yeah, a lot of stuff out
Over
that way.
here's Tai Tai to the right.
Tai Tai to the right.
Right in front of us, the group of buildings that looks nice.
Uh-huh.
That's Libis.
Libis.
Libis, I think it's called.
Right.
Yeah, it's a nice little area.
So there it is, different view.
So I'll give you the YouTubers list. You know Anthony Smith?
Anthony Smith? No, who's Anthony Smith?
He's a YouTuber out here for a long time.
Okay. All right, guys, let me show you up here. Like I said, we're on the top floor, the roof deck area where the pool is, but this is really nice up here. Got a jacuzzi over here. You ever use a jacuzzi? Is it ever running? I don't know.
Have I ever used it?
Yeah. And, you know, you got...
Make sure that water's like really dirty.
Yeah. He said he's never seen anybody in it. But you got the pool, which is very nice. And I did see people in it earlier. Let me walk this way, show you the pool. They also have an area here to the left. People are having a little get-together, like a little party that they rented out. But yeah, this is very nice up here. Nice breeze up here. And you can see it. Nice big pool. Beautiful up here. Beautiful view. And then these people are renting out the space where you can throw parties. All right, guys, we are now strolling around here at the Green Hills Mall area. We're looking for somewhere to eat. But you know what? One of the things I wanted to do when I came up here is get my new ball cap. Under Armour knockoff. I think I paid 400 pesos for it. Can't beat that. Great price. But yeah, we're strolling around now. We're gonna find something to eat. We're hungry, and I guess no one can make up their mind where we want to eat. I guess what, we're going this way. All right, we're going this way now, guys. Joseph has an idea of where we're going to eat. Everybody's hungry, but we don't know where we want to eat.
Nobody can agree.
Nobody can agree.
2 Americans, 2 Filipinos.
Uh-oh. I hate Mexican food. Oh.
Oh, I like this too. Ask Jinky if it's alright. Jinky, get on the camera.
Jinky, you like Mexican food? No?
No, that's Army Navy.
Army Navy? No? Look, how about you?
Huh?
You like it?
Don't ask me.
Don't ask what?
Ask Aubrey.
Aubrey? Oh, she shook her head no.
It's good. It's good. Some of it. Don't get the cheeseburger. But the steak wraps and the chicken wraps are good.
I ate there one time. I ate a burger in there.
Yeah, don't get the burger.
Yeah, and I wasn't impressed. What's this? Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
You got Tim Hortons, and you got your usual McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's.
like that.
There's even a Taco Bell here. But I never was a big fan of Taco Bell back in the States. They even have a Subway here, but I think we're going to pass on that. I guess we're going to go to where they have a bunch of restaurants. Starbucks, classic savory. We just can't make up our mind where we're going to eat. Lut has a new friend.
Yes, that's Aubrey.
This is Aubrey.
She will be
Chinky's.
the next top model of
Oh, wow. All kinds of stores set up outside. When you go into these, like this mall here, all kinds of knockoff products, man. Sneakers, shirts, Nike, Under Armour, Adidas, all kinds of them.
Di pa pahiram ka.
It's, you name it, they got it in there.
Di ba sa
That's why I like coming down here. Like I said, one of my missions was to Goldilocks. One of my missions was to get me an Under Armour ball cap. I guess we're heading over to where all the food places are now.
Something for your subscribers real quick. Most of your subscribers are American, right?
Yeah, majority.
Or
Yeah.
expats and stuff.
Yeah.
So when a car stops to let you go, if you wave, like, are we recording?
Yeah.
Touched it.
I just focused on you.
So if they stop for you and you wave to say thank you, here it's considered rude because you're like, stop. So
Right.
instead of waving to say thank you, just nod your head and just thank you.
Really?
Yeah.
See, now up in Angeles, people put their hands out.
That means stop. Like,
Yeah.
stop.
Yeah.
That's being rude.
Oh, here it's being rude.
There it's being rude too. They're like, stop.
Yeah, even Filipinos do it.
Yeah.
Oh,
But
okay.
if you want to be nice because they're being nice to stop for you, just
Oh,
nod
okay.
your head.
All right. I call it the Iron Man pose.
Huh?
I always
Iron
call it the
Man
Iron Man pose. Yeah, the Iron Man pose.
It's like flashing lights and beeping horns. In America, it's like it means go ahead.
Right.
But here it means get out the way. I'm coming
Really?
through. Yeah.
Wow. See, I didn't know that because I would flash my lights when people were coming across the road. I'd flash them to let them know, okay, come in.
Oh no, it means get out the way. I'm coming through.
Oh. All right.
Horn beeps and flashing lights.
There it is.
Watch out.
Yeah, I didn't know
You're
that.
gonna get ran over.
Wingstop.
Yeah, this place is good.
Cebu.
I want to do a video here, but I never have. Yeah, that's Italian. And Tender Bob's, that's the one I was talking about that kind of has like a
Yeah. We walked through here before,
Yeah.
looking for a place to eat.
And there's places upstairs.
And then we wound up at, I think it was a Vietnamese restaurant. Didn't we wind up there? Yeah. All right. Now let's check out the menu. Here's the menu. All right, guys, so we decided to go into that restaurant, grab something to eat. I'm not going to film in there because there's people in there, plus they're playing like copyrighted music. But anyways, we are outside right now. They said about 20 minutes. Taking a little break, getting some fresh air. Guys, remember one thing. Here in Manila, you are not allowed to smoke. They have designated smoking areas, but you are not allowed to walk down the street smoking cigarettes here. They will stop you. They will give you a fine. It's not like up in Angeles, Daewoo up there, where they're a little bit more lenient. But yes, Manila, you are not allowed to smoke in public, except for designated areas. So anyways, guys, like I said, stepped outside for some fresh air. Gotta wait 20 minutes for the meal. I'll let you know how it is. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. Not too much. Jiki's pregnant and she can't do as much walking as she used to, so. But anyways, we'll do something.